We are back again to talk about how AI is shaping today's project management. And to discuss this and have this conversation with me, I have Chamil Mendis, who is an experienced project manager. Chamil, welcome back to the edition again.
Thank you, Sujit.
Chamil, jumping straight into the conversation, right? The earlier episode we spoke about the background to the project management and how it has evolved, and how generative AI can be used in project management. Right? So that's what we discussed. And today I would like you to spend a little bit of time uh, explaining to the viewers the critical component, because in every project management, there's this aspect of workflow, right? It has to flow sequentially. How can we enhance our workflows using or integrating AI? Can you share some experience with us, Chaman?
Uh, Thank you, Sujit. It's a very critical question to answer, though, and it's very important question. We need to pay a lot of attention when as an organization, when we try to leverage the AI into project management or into their operations or anywhere within the organization. We need to pay really careful attention because in my previous episode we discussed about we as a project manager how we can leverage AI to make our life easy. So when you take an organization, there are multiple departments, there are multiple projects, and there are multiple roles within the organization, multiple functions, multiple processes, and multiple procedures. So, how are you going to use the AI to automate these uh, these tasks, these routine tasks? So that is where we need to make a decision. So usually, and if an organization try to leverage AI, as of now, we are in a panic mode. Everyone's talk about AI. This is due to the boom, which was happen 2022 November with the launch of ChatGPT. Everyone starting talk about the ChatGPT, and before that AI was available and there are a lot of generative AI tool was there. Why the people start talking about generative AI? Because of the user friendliness of this, the ChatGPT software, which was introduced to the public, and it was embraced by the public very well. Due to that, it became popularity, and now it has become an AI race within the tech giant as well as the AI startup. You must be noticing every day we used to see a lot of new tool being introduced to the market, AI tools, and the existing tool, it is improving and it is releasing with the new features. And for example, ChatGPT 3 launched, and after that they launch a new version 4, and there is a rumors are going on the 5 will be launched in couple of months time, and they were speculating some features. So likewise, we will be hearing this information from time to time. As an organization and project manager, if you want to leverage the power of AI to your organization or to your project, with the rapid evolving landscape of AI, we cannot do that one overnight. So that is where we need to think, because if you analyze a tool today and you take a decision tomorrow and the day after you implement, by the day after there will be another version of the same tool will be out. So what are you going to do? So this is where I am saying we need to have a clear set of controls, guardrails. I would say we need to have a established guardrails within your organization. So first thing, you need to establish a AICOE, AI Center of Excellence, which is the new department which you need to establish within your own organization. So with this rapid evaluation of AI and the generative AI tools and this discussion, and there are new job roles has been introduced to the market, like AI engineer and AI prompt engineers. So many new roles has been introduced. So we need to think new. So we need. That's why we need to establish a new department called AI Center of Excellence and appoint a head to lead this department. And then the head of the department, the AI Chief Executive Officer, should be able to make a plan for your organization, how you trying to use these tools. And you cannot simply use this tool. You need to have you need to pay a lot of attention for security constraint, because when you are using these tools, you will have to use some of your corporate data, and which can be uploaded to outside, and we don't know whether these data can be and can be copied from your competitors. So there are a lot of security constraints, and we don't know the level of security compliance within these tools and technologies. So therefore, you need to do a complete security assessment and come to a conclusion, and have a plan, and approved set of generative AI tools which can be used within your organization. So you need to draft policies, procedures. You need to hire new staff, or you need to make buy or rent decisions whether you're going to build or buy these new tools, or you're going to use the existing models. If you are going to use existing models, what are the key considerations that you need to make attention? And we were talking about the large language models when leveraging AI. And for example, if I take ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is developed by AI startup called Open Source, well-known AI startup called Open Source. And if you upload any document to the ChatGPT, and we don't know where they are going to store, whether they will be storing and they will be using this information, or they will be sharing this information to a third party, which can lead to a complete disaster. So because of that, company is trying to create their own AI models. So when you say AI models, there are two flavors of AI models. Either it can be uh, third party, or it can be a open source AI model. So there are a lot of open source models are there, which can which you can train using your own data and customize within your own organization context. And you don't need to run a lot of GPU powers, computing powers, to run this language model. So these are the some of consideration that you need to pay. Let me recap for you. So first thing you need to pay attention is, you need to establish the AICOE to control and govern the AI usage within your organization. That department, the head of the department and the staff within the organization, as well as the department, will take a decision. So what are you going to do with the existing staff? You need to train the existing staff as well, right? So when you say AI, and there is a fear that employees are thinking about, will the AI will replace your job? Will I lose my job due to AIs, and AI is going to automate my task, and will I lose my jobs? Yes, up to some extent that it is true, but while the AI can automate some of the repetitive jobs, it can also create new jobs. So there is a potential opportunity for new jobs to be available in the market, which is already available at the moment. So organization can think of training the existing staff and utilizing their skills for the new roles, and making a better decision for the benefit of organization. So these are the some of the key factors that you need to pay when leveraging AI within any organization.
Well, thank you for sharing it. I mean, I think this is a huge topic, right? And we can go on talking about it
Yes.
in terms
Yes.
of how and what and things like that. But I think, in essence, what you were trying to highlight is, while every project has predefined workflows, it is up to the respective organizations and the project managers to be conscious of their internal policies, the existing policies as to which information can be exposed to an external environment and which should be kept confidential within the organization. I think that's where you were highlighting. It is important that the organization reviews the existing policies, build additional procedures, and that would be enhanced through a center of excellence. So I guess the role of center of excellence is to prototype and understand how these tools can be used, where it can be used, and how it can be used. And you also touched on a very important point where you said training of people. Right. While there is fear that AI would take over, but what we are talking about is human supervised implementation of these sophisticated tools, where repetitive tasks can be automated, and the time which you spend doing routine, repetitive, sometimes maybe unproductive, can be used for more productive activities. And you also mentioned there are new roles can be created, like, for example, a prompt engineer. So not that everybody can just sit there and say, "Hey, I would use a large language model and use AI," but you need to know what prompts to you use so that you get the desired output. Chamil, thank you so much for sharing your views on how we could use AI and integrate into a new workflow or introduce new workflows or enhance our existing workflows. So, viewers, we did talk about in the first edition about the background to the project management and how generative AI can be used in project management. And in this edition, we specifically spoke about how it can be integrated to existing workflows. So please look out for our next episode where we would be talking about how AI can be used for communication purposes. And also, we touch a little bit on costs. And I know there is no scientific way or correct or right or wrong way to say, okay, this is what the cost would be, but we would try and talk a little around that. And then we would also talk about the communication aspects of AI, how as to how it would enhance project management communication using AI. Thank you so much, Chamil. So I would look forward to talking to you in the next episode.
Thank you so much, Sujit, for giving me this opportunity. I hope together we would be able to convey a right message to the audience. Thank
Absolutely.
you.